Is this stained glass wallpaper effective or easy to apply? Well, it looks really good once it's done, but I'm going to show you step by step how to actually apply it. And so, yes, it does end up looking like a stained glass window by the time you have it applied if you do everything correctly. So, here's what you need to know. You need to clean the glass first, make sure that the glass is super clean, and then you can cut these to the exact size that you need. So here's the instructions. Clean the glass, trim the film to fit, leaving a 1/16 margin. Wet the glass with a little bit of warm water, and you can use a spray bottle to mix together a little bit of warm water, maybe a little bit of soap. What this does is it basically breaks down the backing on the film, and that way you can apply it. So now you're going to press it onto the glass and use the squeegee to completely, squeegee all of that water off and make sure that it's completely flat. And really, honestly, this was not a hard process. We were kind of worried that this would look a little weird, like maybe it would not set correctly or maybe start to peel, but it has been several months, and it only took us a few minutes to apply. Like you see here, we're leaving it a little bit long so that we make sure it covers up everything, and that way we can go back and trim it to the exact size of the window so that it looks like stained glass. Now, one thing you should know is that it's not going to line up perfectly on the design. It's going to look similar, but if you notice maybe you can do it properly, but we didn't quite cut it exactly to where the design is cohesive across all panels. So be aware that there might be, some gaps in the design. There might not be some perfect alignment, but depending on how you finish everything out, it's going to look very nice and probably be a much easier solution for most people than installing completely new stained glass windows. So basically, you'll go back through, you'll cut off any edges that you need to. This will basically make sure that everything is cut exactly as it needs to be. So that's everything you need to know. Overall, only took us about 15 minutes with both of us. So hope you have an amazing day. Hope this helps you make a more informed decision for your projects and your loved ones.